Silver supporters get a free Samsung T7 Shield 2TB SSD. You're helping bring Street Angels' Road to Hell to life, and we're saying thank you in a big way. Anyone who donates £250 or more to become a silver supporter will receive a complimentary Samsung T7 Shield 2TB SSD, a lightning-fast, rugged, portable solid-state drive with read speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second. Perfect for filmmakers, editors, gamers, and power users. About the film Street Angels, Road to Hell is an intense, visually striking indie thriller that dives into the shadows of urban survival, morality, and resilience. Your support fuels every frame, from pre-production to premiere. How to claim your free Samsung T7 SSD? Donate £250 plus via our official support link. See below. Choose the Silver Supporter tier during checkout. We'll reach out to confirm your shipping details and send your free 2TB SSD straight to your door. Limited quantities available, first come, first served. Worldwide shipping supported. Minor shipping fees may apply for select regions.